So in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iOS 18. So if you're using an iPhone that is running on the latest iOS 18, you can easily log apps on the device using your Face ID. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is just locate the application you want to lock on your iPhone running on iOS 18. So let's say I want to log the Snapchat application. Go ahead, press and hold the Snapchat application like this. Then you should see require Face ID. Go ahead and click on that. Now once you tap require Face ID, here you should see require Face ID or hide and require Face ID. If you want to hide this application and also require Face ID to unlock it, go ahead and tap hide and require Face ID. But to only lock this application using your Face ID, go ahead and click on require Face ID. Then confirm your Face ID. That is it. The application will be visible on the home screen as well as the app library. Now to use this application, all you need to do is open it. Then you see require Face ID. Then to open the application, go ahead and confirm your Face ID and the application is going to open straight away. So this is how you can easily lock app with Face ID on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.